Here we come to the second elevator at the Bush School of Government and Public Science at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This one is a Dover Impulse as well. Hopefully this one not being as busy as the one on the front side. And this thing has got a fan too, so let's see how well we're able to hear the motor. Ooh, call recognition. Oh, it doesn't beep. Oh, it does it now. Okay, this thing's got call recognition. But anyways, this is just similar to the other one I just recorded. Installed in 1996. Next year, this elevator is going to be entirely 30 years old. These are your fixtures, Dover Impulse. Let's see how well we're able to hear the motor over the fan. Don't we just love some Dover Impulse? Your phone. There it goes, and that's it.